Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll be taking some trades and I will explain each and every single one of my setups. It's already in my entry. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm trying to take this QM trade. Yes, I go two more. This is my entry. Okay, these two entries are not good, but anyways. Yeah, today I will trade some I will take some trades and I will try to explain each of them. The first trade is based on QM setup. If you have a trend and all of a sudden you break the previous swing, just like the one happened right here, this is going to be your QM zone, right? After finding your QM zone, you have to find the confirmations for it in higher time frame and lower time frame, okay? Once I found my QM zone, I'll go to the, let's see, okay, that was a winning trade. I'll go to the higher time frame, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes, I see an engulfing pattern right on my QM zone, okay? If I draw the QM zone in 1 minute chart, this would be my QM zone. I have a dedicated video for this, you can watch. This is my QM zone, right? If I go to engulf, you see this engulf and the QM zone is inside the engulf. So if I go back to lower time frame, 30-second or just lower time frame step by step, we will have this entry right below the QM setup. We have two entries here, but I usually trust the safer one, which is the lower one, like that. I will mark two of them. Some people may take this one, but I usually trust the lower entry close to the QM. For example, this one is much lower, but it's so far from the QM itself. Okay. That was a winning trade. Yeah, I'm just going to keep looking for better opportunities. This is a doji, didn't break a doji, it closed right on the doji line, which act like a support and resistance. Since we have minor downtrend, I probably could take this trade, but I don't, because I don't have any other reasons to add up, and if I take that, it would be only one reason. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep looking to other pairs. We already took 4 trades on the first trade. It was a bit risky, but yeah, I'm glad it was a winning trade. I was expecting 2 of my entries to be lost, to be honest. All right. All right, let's break in this doji now. If we break this doji, we have this support that is broken after this decision point. We can count on that trade. Break a doji, it will give us the chance to take a sell after breaking a doji, and then we can find our entry right up there. Unfortunately, it didn't break this doji. I was waiting for this breakout. Let's see, maybe it breaks now. I want to close it above the doji line. Okay, it didn't. Okay, right, I want to take this. No, what is this entry? Okay, this entry is terrible. Let me see. This is a beautiful gap up, right? Gap up, exhaustion candle, right on the supply, breaking this ABC, right? ABC break. And that's why I would take this sell, but my entry is late. It could It could just reject and close like this and make me lose the trade, even though it would be red. But here, I was lucky that I won the trade. Okay, this doesn't always happen. Sometimes we lose because of bad entry. We have this respected resistance, and you can clearly see the startup for this breakout happened right here, and this is a fair value gap. And of course, we have some entry right inside this. Let me just mark this as my order block. And then if I go lower time frame, yes, you see exactly right inside that order block, we have this fresh demand as our entry. Because if you look at this movement, you can see that the startup for this breakout happened right before this candle, right? So this force of buyers came to the game from this candle. So next time it can react from that one. Let's see. Today's session was so small. I think the only reason is that I took multiple trades on the first trade. And yeah, I kind of want to stop after 5 trades, but the video is just too short and my session was too short. Usually not like that. My sessions usually take about 14 to 15, 16 minutes. It's not good to have our session very short. Because if your session's short, it means that you either took multiple trades on a single trade, or you just took random trades. Which I did multiple trades on one trade on my first one today. Okay, let me just see. No. Okay, I'm going to take this one. There we go. I'm expecting a green candle here. The next movement will be the buyer's movement. Because if you look, we had a crazy downtrend. Especially here, we have a strong minor downtrend, and all of a sudden, we broke the market structure right here, right? The market was weak, and then they started to break that. It touched the supply. It came back to this failed supply, which now is a demand. And then we have another demand right here. That's why it skipped this one, and it came down right on the next demand area. There's a lot of buyers in this candle. This is an inverted hammer closing right on the demand area, and it's a sign of reversal. Okay, since I saw the gap down, I didn't see a lower low compared to previous low. I can feel that the buyers are trying to come into the game, especially we are in an area that's a major support. And after this movement, we want a movement like this. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to stop right here. Today's session was not good. Okay, was not good at all. My first trade was multiple, and I didn't like it. It could be a drastic loss. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. Thank you for watching, and peace out.